Good morning, and let's look at the top 5 stocks to watch out for in trade. Starting with the retail space, Avenue Supermart's earnings, which came out this Saturday. Talking about it, the Q1 numbers, surely revenue is coming in line with the expectations. But what is amiss is the margins as well as the profitability of the company are surely amiss on the ET Now poll as well as the street expectations as well. Now, revenue as expected has seen a growth of around 31.6%, coming in at 5,031 crores, while the profits of the company also have seen a growth on a year-on-year basis. But let's not forget that last year Q1 FY20 was surely a low base when we had seen the severe lockdown coming in last time was the first wave. So surely that is something that is aiding overall the performance of the company as well. But when you look at it on a sequential basis, overall it is still much below the pre-COVID levels as well. Even when you compare the revenue, it's down by 13% below the pre-COVID level sales. Quarter-on-quarter basis also the pressure has increased because in April and May we had seen severe restrictions coming in from the lockdown front as well, and the impact was much more severe than what the street as well as the company was expecting as well. Now the company has also margins have been under pressure, mainly because there was the margin accretive discretionary spends were much lower. So surely a miss on DMart's margins and revenue, and that is something that we will be margins and profitability. So surely let's keep an eye out on that. Moving forward, we have IDBI Bank also, which is in focus after the government has extended the deadline for the transaction legal advisories to bid for the managing sale. Now the deadline for the transaction and legal advisors to bid has been till July 2022. So surely let's keep an eye out on that. Moving forward, we do have Equitas Small Finance Bank as well as Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, which will be in focus after the government has given a nod. Has given a nod to the SPFCs and their respective holding companies to apply for a merger. So surely these two stocks are going to be in focus as RBI will examine their request on merit basis as well. They will examine the request from all angles of regulatory as well as supervisory comfort as well. Now Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, the bank is to take the steps for mergers of the holding company with the bank as well, and Equitas Small Finance Bank also will initiate the steps to finalize the scheme of merger of the holding company with the bank as well. We have Federal Bank also, which is in focus after RBI has approved the tenure extension of Mr. Shyam Srinivasan and extended him as a MD and CEO for another 3-year period that will be till September 2024 as well. So surely let's keep an eye out on Federal Bank. And lastly, we do have Mahindra, which could be in focus today after CLSA, the brokerage firm, has actually come out with a note maintaining a buy stance in the company with a target price of 1,300 rupees per share. The acquisitions have, they say that the acquisitions have been an integral part to the TechM's business model as well as TechM is among the more acquisitive Indian IT companies as well. So surely they see a sense of greater financial discipline with lower risks also for TechM, and that is why they are maintaining a buy stance on the company.